Hi all, welcome back to Food is Good channel, and today we are going to make a dish of noodles and prawn or shrimp where as it is called a lot of places too. So as usual, let me go ahead and walk you through the ingredients. We have the rice vermicelli noodles, which are the very thin noodles that we are going to use today. Then we have the star of the dish, that is prawn or shrimp. What we have done is we had taken this prawn earlier and put cold water in it and mixed at least 3 tablespoons of salt. So it is very necessary that you do this at least 3 hours before you prep the dish. By the time you are going to prep the dish, the prawn will have good salt in it. Then we have some veggies. It depends on what kind of veggies do you want. If you want carrots or anything else, we have onions, green chilies, and some capsicum. And then we have the hot water. This is what we're going to pour over the noodles. We're not going to boil these noodles because this vermicelli noodles are very thin. If you boil them, it will just become a clump. So what we're going to do, we'll put the noodles in this bowl and just pour hot boiling water over it for 5 minutes and then keep it aside. And then we have the oil and the salt. So first, what we have to do is first we have to go and prep the shrimp or the prawn. So we're going to fry the prawn for 5 minutes, keep it aside, then take the veggies. What I'm going to do with the veggies, I'm going to shred it into small pieces, then fry them and keep these things ready. Also, one more ingredient that I missed was Szechuan sauce. Now, this Szechuan sauce is very special because we have made it at home as per our taste, and spiciness is accordingly. So, one day I'll make a video for it when I have those appropriate mirchis available to make this Szechuan sauce. But this is what we are also going to add into our dish. I'm going to put our oil in this around 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then I'm going to put our shrimps or prawns. Now the thing with prawns is it cooks very quickly and you have to cook it on high temperature. So if you're using the flame gas, you have to cook it on high flame and it will get ready in 2 to 3 minutes. So always keep an eye on the prawns. Okay guys, so in the meanwhile our prawns are cooking. We have taken the noodles and now we're going to add some oil on top to it. Little bit oil to this. Around 2 tablespoons is good. And then we are going to add the boiling water. As I mentioned, please do not cook it or it will become lumpy. And we're just going to keep it in the boiling water for 5 minutes. And then we are going to take it out and then wash it under cold water and it would be ready for use. So let's keep it under boiling water. Okay guys, it has been good 3 to 4 minutes. Our prawns are ready now and we're going to shift it into a bowl. And the next thing we are going to take up is the veggies. So again, I'm going to add oil and we're going to fry the veggies for again 3-4 minutes. Remember, we are cooking a Chinese dish and Chinese dishes are always made on high flame. So again, depending on how crispy you want the veggies, you can go about it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some haldi, turmeric to this, and then I'm going to mix it, and then I'm going to put some salt onto the veggies. It's always good to put some salt because then the veggies will also have some taste to it. Otherwise it will remain bland. Not too much salt, maybe one mixing it. And as per your comfortability, as I said, how much crunchy you want, you can fry it, but not more than 4 minutes I would recommend. So I put the salt already onto the veggies. Now we are going to, on this veggies, we are going to add the Szechuan sauce. So again, depending on how spicy you want it, you can mix it. I put around 2 tablespoons or so because we like eating it spicy. And now we're going to stir it well, mix it well. Ensure it is mixed well. And after this, once it is ready, we are going to add the prawns back into this mix. So this looks good. So now the prawns also have similar kind of taste. We are going to add it back and we are going to mix it, and again keep it on the gas for 2 to 3 minutes so that the prawns also have that flavor coming in first. Okay guys, so my prawn with the veggies is ready. I'm going to shift it into a bowl, and now we are going to focus our energies on the noodles, or focus our attention to the noodles. So it's been 5 to 6 minutes now. The noodle is ready. You will see it has become soft now. Now time to strain it and wash it with some cold water. The oil that you added will ensure it is not sticking to each other. So let's go ahead and strain the noodle. Okay guys, so we have strained the noodles. You can see how separate they are. They are not sticking to each other, and they are ready to be fried. So we are going to take the same vessel. We are going to add oil. Again 2 tablespoons of oil is good, and then we are going to add 1 egg to this. The noodle dish is not complete without an egg. 1 egg should be good. If you like eggs more, you can add 2 eggs. That's not a compulsion. So we are now going to scramble the egg. Use the same bowl that you used to come up with the prawns and the veggies. It will enhance the flavor of whatever you put in this bowl. So it's scrambled now. Now time to add the noodle. Only add that much noodle that is going to be sufficient for 1 plate. Now this is a tip that this is a trick that I have learned from street vendors. They do not put all the noodles together, only for a plate that we need to make it for, and then add the requisite amount of prawn and the veggies mix. And then we are going to mix all of this and let it fry. So guys, if you want to mix the noodles, the best trick, take 2 forks and just toss them around. We are not experts like the chefs and tossing them. So this is the best trick of doing it. Mix it well, and so you can see slowly and steadily the noodle getting that color. Now if you want more color to it, you can obviously add turmeric and get it more yellow in color, and let it fry because it is fried noodles. So let that wetness go away. Let it fry for some time, and then as per your convenience you can remove it and plate it, and it is ready to eat. Okay, now it's been 4 to 5 minutes that we have been stirring it, and look at how the color has come out. It's now ready to be put on a plate and ready to be eaten. At this period of time, if you feel the salt is less, go ahead and add some salt and mix it well. Okay guys, so we have put it on plate. Our prawn noodles or the shrimp noodles are ready to be eaten now. It looks fantastic, it looks beautiful, and it's good to taste. A simple dish to make. So guys, it's lunchtime. I am hungry, ready to eat. I hope you like this dish. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive future notification for all such videos. Thank you all.